We're doomed. It's baby on the move. Omar. Can you do it? You gonna wear yourself out? Uh-oh, he's going for your feet. He's like, I can get places now. You people are in so much trouble. Come get the ball. Where do you want to go next? I want to eat your feet.
Let's get you back out here. Let's get you back out here.
Dum 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 dum.
Come here. Come here.
Said get someplace, then you put me back.
Come on. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can play ball?
Daddy's got a ball.
You can play ball?
You know you want the ball. Go get that ball.
Come on.
It's slippery.
Come on. You can get it.
So close.
Yeah, mommy's shoes better.
Shoes. Hey! Say hey! Stop making me laugh like this. Hey Luke, say yay!
Hey, yay!
Come on.
Say yay!
You've clapped all day. You won't do it now. He's like, no, I'm moving. Okay.